Hello, I'm Rainer Gröninger, Application Engineer at Kübler, and today I like to show you how to install magnetic system Li50 Ri50. Start by installing the magnetic ring. Tighten the screws for fixation of the magnetic ring. Then you install the sensor at the stator. Double check the mounting tolerances as shown at the datasheet. As you can see, the rotative magnet system Limes Li50 Ri50 is very robust. It has a sturdy housing with IP rating up to IP90K. As the non-contact measuring technology allows a fully wear-free operation. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call me. Your Rainer Gröninger.